Now let's take a look at this figure 17-31, and it kind of deals with the cover, or as some electrician call it, the peckerhead of a motor. Now notice the terminal housing supplied with the motor. This is a high voltage type motor. Wiring methods, size, pull and junction boxes is 314.71. And this particular one deals with 430.12 and 314.28 exception. Now we read these three sections together. 314.71, 314.28. We want to look at the exception, and then 314.71, and we get a good feel of what's required here. So you must not pull a conductor so large you can't bring it into the termination box and terminate and supply the motor. And you know where this could be a problem. We have voltage drop problems, maybe plus ambient temperature correction problems. Then your conductors may be too large to terminate. So you may have to reroute through a lower temperature so you're within the 86 degrees Fahrenheit that our table 310.16 mentions. Now you can go to our video and you can listen to the conversation concerning terminal ratings and voltage drop and derating for ambient temperature and that kind of thing. So this figure 17-31 is just basically letting the user of the NEC know, don't pull a conductor so large that you can't terminate it in the box, and then you have to do things that's illegal to be able to terminate the supply to the motor. And that's exactly what this figure 17-31 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.